Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Geraldine Do. Welcome once again and today ay ipapasyal ko kayo dito sa park ng Athens, Greece kung saan ako laging naglalakad. And we will talk about autumn in Greece. So, the autumn months in Greece are September, October, and November. They follow from 3 hot summer months where temperatures often rise way beyond 30 degree. In fact, they sometimes exceed 40 degree in August. As a rule, September is one of the most pleasant months to travel around Greece. The weather in Greece during autumn is still very much that of summer. Temperatures vary from 25 to 36 degrees Celsius depending on where you are in Greece. The farther north you go, the cooler it will get. Autumn in Greece is mostly sunny, but during October, you may experience rainfall. Is it worth going to Greece in October? October is still hot with the daily highs of 26 degrees Celsius, 8 hours of daily sun, sea temperatures of 24 degrees Celsius, and a lower chance of rain than on other regions of Greece. This is a lovely time of year for a walking holiday. Autumn is when a nature comes into its own and you can get to know Greece like a local. Autumn is a very special time in Greece. The countryside becomes especially luminous. The sea stays warm enough for swimming. The resorts become a bit quieter and the earth delivers its bounty of olives and grapes. It's a time to enjoy the many shades of red and orange as the trees change color and nature comes into its own. September, when the grapes are harvested, is the time to visit some of Greece's state-of-the-art wineries. A month later, towards the end of September and early October, try to find out who's making raki out of the skins and stalks of grapes in Crete. And later in autumn, during October and November, is the time locals gather their olives. How about staying at a farm set up for agrotourism and helping with the course? You'll find that for Greeks, the olive harvest is a community affair. Popular autumn destinations, this is the time to discover the other side of holidays in Greece. Autumn is when the cosmopolitan islands are at their quietest, or when you can extend your city break to include the islands close to Athens, or perhaps visit one of the Green Sporades Islands for a weekend sojourn. Hop over to Evia's long beaches and thick forests, or go up to Pelion where you can combine beach and mountain pleasures. Autumn is also perfect for sailing in the Aegean or Ionian seas since August north winds have calmed down. This is when so many of Greece's most romantic venues come into their own. The fortress state of Monevasia and Naflion and Naphaktos with their Venetian castles and ports. It's the time to take a hike on the old trails on the islands and mainland and pay homage to the wonderful Byzantine churches and monasteries found all over Greece. If you're an urbanite, this is when you can really get to know Athens and Thessaloniki. In autumn, both cities regain their very different rhythms and unique spirit. Explore on foot, shop till you drop deep into their fabulous museums and avant-garde garden or garde galleries. Take in a play or a concert. And above all, explore the night scene. Whatever you do, you'll do it like a local. Visit Greece in fall. 6 seasons why you should. Greece might be associated with sun, sea, sand, and hot islands, but Greece is a year-round destination. Fall is a wonderful time to travel to Greece. Tourist crowds are thinning, prices and temperatures are dropping, and the food is fantastic. Let's have a look at what Greece has to offer in fall. Reveal the reasons why you should consider a fall break with your family and things to do in fall in Greece. Find lower airfares and accommodation prices. Travel and walk without the heat of summer. Visit tourist attractions and towns without big crowds. Attend fall festivals and cultural events and experience the dramatic beauty of Greece in the fall. Enjoy fall foods like truffles and wild mushrooms. The fall is very pleasant in Greece. Sunny, warm days, occasionally a few clouds, a nice breeze, and cooler evenings. Fall is colder inland, especially in the mountains. October generally brings crisp, cool mornings and evenings, but again many sunny days and often hot enough for swimming until the end of October, especially on the islands of Rhodes and Crete. November is one of the Greece wetter months, but there are usually still many sunny days. Athens is dry and sunny during the fall with a few cloudy days. Fewer crowds, and Athens and Thessaloniki are less busy during fall, meaning you get to admire world famous monuments and landmarks without the crowds and waiting lines. A stroll around the city center with kids becomes more pleasant without the thousands of tourists on the pavements in the summer months. Athens is in fall is especially great for visiting the Acropolis, the ancient Agora, and to see the Temple of Zeus. The autumn is a wonderful season to visit some parks, both in the city itself and in the surrounding area. A must visit for fall colors are the National Gardens with comfortable temperatures. Autumn is the perfect time for families to try an urban adventure in Athens. Take your pick from a number of walking tours that highlight contemporary cultural aspects of Athens. Although there are fewer sunlight hours, earlier sunsets mean more time to enjoy cities after dark. Athens lights its historic monuments at night, so strolling through the city after dark is beautiful and romantic. Around the third or the fourth week of October, lots of international schools in Europe and especially the ones in the UK have half-term breaks. During these weeks, kids love Greece. Have extra dates for our popular Percy Jackson Tours small group. Fall is also a great time to visit the world famous Meteora without the crowds. You will truly absorb the impressive rocks and stunning nature of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. You can combine your visit to Meteora with a mushroom hunt with the Meteora Mushroom Museum. Unlike many of the other Greek islands, whose tourist industry seems to close in October, the season in some islands carries on in fall. As such, we recommend Crete and Santorini. In fall, when the tourist numbers drop, it is a little easier to find the family accommodation in Santorini, and the temperatures on this volcanic island are a lot more tolerable. One of the bonuses of visiting in fall is that the waters might still be warm enough to swim in. Most of Greece's local festivals tend to be in the fall. These festivals are often related to food because of the harvest months. Think of festivals dedicated to truffles, chestnuts, mushrooms, grapes, and wine. In Aegina, a pistachio nuts festival takes place each September, including gastronomy events, workshops, live music, theatrical events, and creative activities. And of course, chestnut grow all over Greece, and many communities hold chestnut festivals such as the one in Crete in the scenic village Elos. You'll find music, folk dancing, eating and drinking, and chestnut delicates. And Greece colors are magical in fall. Nature transforms itself from fresh green into many shades of red, and orange of the trees change color. Hiking and biking are just a few activities that will allow your family to enjoy Greece's magnificent mountain landscape. One of our favorite activities is hiking. Ideal destination for hiking are Crete, Meteora, and Pelion because nature is truly at its best at this time of the year. So, hope you enjoy our video for today. It's about the fall, changing weather here in Athens, Greece. So, see you again next time, my dear friends and loved ones. So, take care always and see you till next time. Stay awesome! Bye-bye! Take care, everyone! Love you all! Mwah, chup, chup. And I just wanna add and shout out all my viewers. Thank you so much for supporting my vlogs. Take care!